A Tea Party movement came to Boston Common today. People upset with the government spending turned their focus to health care this afternoon. The rally came as President Obama once again used his web address to push reform. NECN's John Moroney joins us from Boston with more. John?
Kristin, Boston is where the revolution started, changing the course of the nation and history. A group of about 100 protesters gathered on the Common this afternoon, hoping to do the same thing when it comes to health care.
The party of death controls the White House.
They're fighting mad, angry over the push to reform health care, and fearing the worst if the president and Democrats are successful.
I'm really opposed to having the government control our health care and ration health care to people who really need it.
The Boston Common played host Saturday to another Tea Party rally. This group of conservative activists says health care reform is not working in Massachusetts and would be a disaster for the rest of the country.
We would argue that a lot of the problems that we're facing right now are the result of government intervention.
As I speak to you today, we are closer to reforming the health care system than we have ever been in history.
In his weekly address, the president spoke about health care. A key Senate committee endorsed an $829 billion reform plan Tuesday. Senator Olympia Snowe of Maine was the only Republican to vote for the Democratic proposal.
Just this week, the Senate Finance Committee approved a reform proposal that has both Democratic and Republican support.
It's not bipartisan. They had a Republican who's been leaning left forever, voted for it. And it's not really even a bill. It's really not a bill. It's a concept document that they couldn't even get specifics on it.
The so-called Tea Party patriots are not only upset about health care, but they're worried about out-of-control government spending. Part of their frustration is directed at the news media, which they say have become lapdogs instead of watchdogs.
The media has been in the tank for Obama since the beginning, so anything Obama wants, they're putting a positive spin on it.
Now, there are 5 bills on Capitol Hill dealing with health care. The one that passed the Senate Finance Committee earlier this week, Kristin, will now be merged with another Senate bill that includes that controversial and so-called public option.
All right, John Moroney reporting from Boston. Thank you.